So this is number 7, have a go. Now, part A, I thought this was a lot of work for 2 marks. Basically, we've got a non-right angled triangle. We know 3 sides. We don't know any of the angles, so we use the cosine rule. But basically, once you've had to rearrange it. So we have to rearrange it to make the angle A the subject. So make sure you know how to do that rearrangement. Make sure you label it up properly because the formula has capital A as the angle. I think it's best just to make your diagram label your diagram accordingly. So capital A, so the 9 is the little a, and B and C doesn't matter which way around. I've made B the 4 and C the 6. Substitute that in, make sure your calculator's in radians, and that proves the 2.22. Now for part B, we've got to work out the area of the major sector. So the first thing to remember, of course, is the angle is the rest. Now if you're working in degrees, it would be 360 take away the angle that you've just worked out, but we're working in radians, so it's 2 pi take away the angle you've just worked out, the 2.22. So that is the angle. So we use the formula, which you need to learn. The area is half theta r squared. So our angle is 2 pi minus 2.22, as I just said. The radius is 4. Plug that into your calculator, you get the 32.5. Now for part C, we're working out the area of the shaded region, so that comprises the major sector that we've just worked out and the triangle. The area of a triangle is just half AB sine C, and so half times A and B, which are, well, now it's basically AB sine C, but that's really relabeling it again. So our 2 sides we need to use are the 4 and the 6. So we've got half times 4 times 6 times sine 2.22. So that's the area of the triangle. Add the 2 areas together, we get the 42.1. Now for part D, the length of the perimeter, well, that's the length of the major arc ZW, which is just r theta. So our angle is 2 pi minus 2.2 times the radius, which is 4. So that there is the length of the major arc. We want the perimeter all the way around, so we need the length WY, which is 2. Remember, that's the radius, but the whole length is 6, so WY is 2, and obviously YZ is 9. Add all those together, you get 27.3.